Hi, in previous lecture I already discussed greedy technique introduction. Let's discuss first problem of greedy technique, that is knapsack problem. Knapsack means you can say some bag. We have a knapsack, let's having capacity 15 kg and we have some item. Each item have some value. So we need to pick the item in such a way that it will fit in the knapsack and will get maximum profit. You can imagine, suppose you are traveling and you have a luggage capacity of this much and you need to pick the item in such a way that it will fit in the luggage and you will get the maximum value. Or you can imagine a situation, suppose one thief went for robbery to a shop and the thief need to pick the item in such a way that it will fit in his bag and he will get the maximum profit. Given n items of known weights W1, W2 up to Wn and values V1, V2 up to Vn and a knapsack capacity of W, find the most valuable subset of the items that fit into the knapsack. So sum of I equals to 1 to n, Wi xi should be less than equals to W. This W is individual weight. This W is total capacity of the knapsack. There are two types of knapsack problem. One is fractional knapsack problem. Another is 0-1 knapsack problem. In case of fractional knapsack problem, we can choose some fraction. Means either you can choose the whole item or you can choose the zero item or you can choose the some fraction. So this x is how much we are including from the item. In case of fractional knapsack, x can be in the range 0 to 1 and in case of 0-1 knapsack, x can be either 0 or 1. Means either you can choose the item or you can skip the item. But in case of fractional, some part of that item we can choose. Let's take an example of differentiating 0-1 knapsack problem and fractional knapsack problem. We have three items, item 1, item 2, item 3. Item 1 weight is 10 pound and value is $60. Item 2 weight is 20 pound and value is $100. Item 3 weight is 30 pound and value is $120. The thief must select a subset of these three items that it should not exceed the 50 pound. Here knapsack capacity is 50 pound. Now suppose he will choose item 2 and item 3. Item 2 weight is 20 pound, item 3 weight is 30 pound, total 50 pound and its value are $120 and $100 to $20. Suppose the thief will choose item 1 and item 2. Item 1 value is $60, item 2 value is $100. So total sum is $160. Now 10 plus 20 weight is 30 pound. Total capacity is 50 pound. So 50 minus 30 it is 20 pound. 20 pound left but we cannot take the item 3 as it is 30 pound. It is more than 20 pound. So if we are choosing item 1 and item 2, we need to skip item 3. Next, suppose they will pick item 1 and item 3. So item 1 weight 10 pound, item 3 weight 30 pound. 10 plus 30, 40. Total capacity is 50. So 50 minus 40, 10 pound is left, but in that 10 pound, we cannot take item 2 as its capacity is 20 pound. So that 10 pound is waste. Now value, so here 120 and 60, total is 180. So these three are 0-1 knapsack problem. Either we can pick it or we can skip it. We cannot take some fraction. Then we'll check value per pound. 10 pound is 60 means 1 pound will be 6. 20 pound is 100 means 1 pound will be 5. Then 30 pound is 120, 1 pound will be 4. So value per pound for item 1 is 6. Value per pound for item 2 is 5 and for item 3 is 4. So maximum value we are getting per pound is for item 1. So first we will choose item 1. Item 1 is 10. Then after 10 pound, 50 minus 10, 40 pound is left. Next we will choose item 2 whole. Item 2 whole means 20 pound. After choosing 20 pound, from 50 minus 30, 20 pound is left. So from that 30 pound, we will choose 20 pound of item 3. So 20 by 30 from item 3. Now what will be value for this? 20 pound multiplication 4, it will be 80. 1 pound value is 4, 20 pound value is 80. So $80 plus item 2 completely, so $100. Item 1 completely, $60. Total $240. So here by using 01 knapsack maximum value we are getting 220. By using fractional maximum value we are getting 240. So here we got more value by using fraction of the item rather than 01. So based on question you solve whether it is asking for 01 knapsack or fractional. And for knapsack problem, time complexity is order of n. We are going each item, how many items are there, we are checking each item, that's the order of n. Let's see one example, some item, weight and value are given. So we can greedy about different things, means we can greedy about values, means maximum value will pick, then we can greedy about weight or we can greedy about value per weight. Let me discuss all. First, I will discuss greedy about value. Means whichever is maximum value that will choose. Here maximum capacity is 20 and here maximum value is 25 and its weight is 18. So first I will choose item 1, that will be 18. Just two spaces available. So in that I can choose next value. Next value is 24 and here it is 15. So I can choose 2 divide 15 from item 2. So x1 equals to 1. We are choosing full item. Then x2 equals to 2 divide 15. x3 equals to 0. X means how much we are choosing. So x1 whole we are choosing, that's why 1. x2 2 divide 15 means 2 pound from 15 pound. Now take sum of weights wi multiplication xi. So 18 multiplication 1, 15 multiplication 2 divide 15 plus 10 multiplication 0. So here it is 18 plus 2 equals to 20. Next we'll check total value. Sum of I equals to 1 to n vi xi. Value of 1 is 25 and xi is 1. We're choosing whole. Then value of 2 is 24 multiplication 2 divide 15 plus 15 multiplication 0. So 25 plus 24 multiplication 2 divide 15 equals to 28.2. This is greedy about value by using fractional. Suppose we want to find greedy about value by using 0, 1. Either we can choose the item or we can skip the item. So total capacity is 20 and greedy about value means we'll choose this item 1. Item 1 weight is 18. So after 18, 2 pound space is left but no one can fit. So we'll choose only this and value is 25. By using fractional, we got 28.2. Next, I will find greedy about weights. Greedy about weight means we'll choose the less weight, less pound. Like here, this is 10, then 15, then 18. So in that 20 lb capacity, first we'll choose item 3, 10. Next 10 is left, we'll choose 10 pound from 15. So x1 will be 0, we are not choosing item 1. x2 will be 10 by 15 and x3 equals to 1. So now find total weight. Total weight equals to 18 multiplication 0 plus 15 multiplication 10 divide 15 plus 10 multiplication 1. So it is 20. So 25 multiplication 0 plus 24 multiplication 10 divide 15 plus 15 multiplication 1. Total is 31. Suppose it is asking 01 knapsack. Then in case of 01 knapsack, greedy about weight, first we'll choose item 3, 10. Next 10 is left, we cannot pick any one. So value will be 15. Total value will be 15. But by choosing fractional, we can choose item 3 whole, then 10 pound of item 2. So total value is 31. Next I will find greedy about value per weight. Means what is the value per pound? For that I need to divide value by weight. For item 1 value is 25, weight is 18. 25 divide 18, 1.4. For item 2 value is 24 and weight is 15. 24 divide 15, it is 1.6. Next for item 3, value is 15, weight is 10. So 15 by 10 it is 1.5. Now in that 20 lb, first I'll pick item 2 as its value per weight is more. It is 15. Next just 5 lb is left. In that I will choose item 3 of 5 lb. So 5 divided 10. X1 is 0, X2 equals to 1. We are choosing whole item 2. X3 equals to 1 divided 2. 5 divided 10 it is 1 divided 2. Next I will find total weight. 18 multiplication 0 plus 15 multiplication 1 plus 10 multiplication 1 by 2 it is 20. Next I will find total value. So total value will be sum Vi Xi 25 multiplication 0 plus 24 multiplication 1 plus 15 multiplication 1 divided 2. We got 31.5. Suppose it is asking 01 knapsack, then in 20 lb, first we will choose item 2. Item 2 means 15 lb and value is 24. And just 5 lb is left. In that 5 lb, we cannot choose any one, item 1 or item 3 as weight are 18 and 10. So profit will be only 24. Now compare greedy about value, greedy about weight and greedy about value per weight. So in greedy about value, we got maximum value as 28.2. In case of greedy about weight, we got 31. And in case of greedy about value per weight, we got 31.5. So maximum profit we got from value per weight. Next example 2. 4 items are given and maximum capacity is 5. Now I will find value per weight. So value per weight for item 1, 12 divided 2, it is 6. Then for item 2, 10 divided 1, it is 10. Then for item 3, 20 divided 3, it is 6.7. And for item 4, 15 divided 2, it is 7.5. So maximum value per weight is for item 2. And total capacity is 5. So in that 5, first I will choose item 2, that is 1 lb. Next I will choose item 4. Its value per weight is 7.5 and its weight is 2. So 1 plus 2 it is 3 and total space is 5. So just 2 lb is left. Next I will choose item 3. Its value per weight is 6.7. So from that 3 I'll choose 2. So 2 divide 3. So x1 equals to 0, x2 equals to 1, x3 equals to 2 divide 3 and x4 equals to 1. We are choosing item 2 and item 4 completely. 1 plus 2 equals to 3. Next we are choosing 2/3 of item 3. Now find total weight. Total weight equals to 5. Next I will find total value summation Vi Xi. First item value is 12, x1 equals to 0, 12 multiplication 0. Second item value equals to 10, we are choosing whole item, so x2 equals to 1, 10 multiplication 1. Then third item value equals to 20 and we are choosing 2/3. So 20 multiplication 2/3. Fourth item value equals to 15 and we are choosing whole. So 15 multiplication 1. 10 plus 13.33, that is 20 multiplication 2 divide 3 plus 15 equals to 38.33. So here maximum value is 38.33. Suppose this question is asked about 01 knapsack, means either we can pick whole or we can skip. Then value per weight maximum is item 2, that is 10. So we'll choose item 2, weight is 1. Next value per weight is 7.5 for item 4. So we'll choose item 4, that is weight 2. After that just 2 lb is left. Then in that 2 lb, next value for weight is 6.7, that is item 3. And item 3 weight is 3. 3 cannot be fit in 2. So we'll skip it. Next we'll check item 1. Item 1 weight is 2. So we'll choose item 1, weight is 2. Total value equals to 12 plus 10 plus 15. So 37 by choosing item 1, item 2 and item 4 in 01 knapsack problem, but here we are getting 38.33. So by fractional knapsack we are getting maximum profit than 01 knapsack. In some question it may be written that the item is not divisible, means that is 01 knapsack. Either we can pick whole or we can skip. Or it may be written that it is divisible, means it is fractional knapsack. So this is all about knapsack problem. There are two type of knapsack problem, fractional knapsack problem and 01 knapsack problem. In case of fractional, we can choose some fraction. In case of 01 knapsack, either we can choose whole or we can skip it. And if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.